one of the best and most comprehensive implant systems designed to repair and internally stabilize the knee for patients who have metal allergy. Equipped with a high range of modularity, the Biorad Metasys Oru Golden Knee System's titanium niobium nitride coated cobalt chromium molybdenum alloy is designed to accommodate the restoration of high flexing daily activities. The special coating and enhanced surface hardness are 5 times that of the conventional cobalt chrome of the implant, ensuring a smooth interface between the knee system and reducing the chances of allergic reactions, which makes it biocompatible and durable. Biorad's Oru knee implants come with a soft tissue-friendly design, as multiple tibial trays come with 7 sizes. And femoral is available in 8 size options that make an ideal fit for all kinds of patients. It doesn't end here. Now, surgeons can ensure a smooth surgical workflow with precise and productive results, ensuring perfect implant alignment. Biorad's Golden Oru knee implant also offers you dynamic joint balancing that provides much-needed flexibility to modify the pre-op plan so that surgeons can enjoy a more predictable surgical experience. Oru knee implant is a ray of hope for young and old patients who want to enjoy an active, long-term, and quality performance. Ask your surgeon about Biorad's Oru knee implant during the consultation and before the knee implant surgery.